Hello, my friends, and welcome back. I have got a lovely unboxing for the brand new August 2024. How did we get to August? I don't know. For Color Rush Studio. So, I have got the main kit, the bold kit, the acrylic kit, and a fabulous tool to share with you. So let's look at the main kit. I'm going to put the goodies off to the side, and let's get in here. I think we have double-sided papers, and there's two of each, is what I think it is. I think that's what it is. So let me see. So the first one here, I already can tell I will be fussy cutting out all of these. Look at how cool it is. So we've got kind of a grid background, and there's text that's really subtle, kind of in a pale gray. It's really subtle in the background. So that's super cool. And then all of these gorgeous florals that want to spend so much time being cut out. Now, let me see how this goes, because I think we have two of each. So that way, if we do, I can go ahead and show you both sides. Okay, here we go. And here is the flip side. Oh, how cute. So we have got, almost looks like stone in the background. There, it's a little deeper around the outsides. We've got mustard tone, kind of a plummy tone. And then this is reading like a brown olive in these hearts. And they're kind of on a diagonal, and I do love a diagonal. So then let's see. Next, the next piece of paper we have, oh, how cute. We have got rows of books. Now we've got a grid kind of plaid again, right? It is definitely like an off-white slash vanilla. Not what I would call cream though for the background. And there are books on books on books, and that is super cute. Then the next thing I have is, this is the back of it, correct? Yes, look at this, how cute. So we have text in the background again. And then we've got an overlay of kind of like a nice green olive. Not a deep olive, but a nice green olive, although the saturation is pretty high in this collection. So that's fun. Then guys, I love, 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 love this piece of paper. So it's vintagey looking. We've got a lot of action here, but then we've got these tones of orange, yellow, and off-white for a half rainbow. And this gives me so many ideas of all of the things that I want to do with it. And the flip side to that glorious piece, it's this. So it's kind of like a, it's definitely like a saturated peachy tone. Has a little bit of a gray vibe to it. So guys, look at that so far, so pretty. The next piece of paper we have, it is a gorgeous, it's kind of a gingham, kind of a plaid. You can see lots of the colors in this collection all at once. And everyone, it's on a diagonal. Oh, yes, it is. Oh, yes, it is. And then the flip side, it is stunning. So we've got giant florals, right? But there's all kinds of what looks to be letters written on it. And then there's some book text. It is lovely. Now this piece of paper, y'all, look at this beautiful rosy pink floral that's repeated over and over. And I'm fussy cutting it out. Yes, I will be. I love that. I love that the text is behind it, but you can still see it through the florals. Do you see that? So pretty. So I have all kinds of things to cut out. I'm really excited. And then the flip side to that, it is a very nice thin striperoo. And the stripes, of course, guys, whichever way you vibe a stripe. So that will be a perfect piece. And then our last piece of paper is this one. It's got that repeating design, vibing wallpaper to me. But then we've got some book text, which is so pretty. And the book text on this side and this side, they're two different sizes. Very cool. And then, how did I miss one, guys? What did I miss? Where's the heart? Oh my gosh, guys, what did I miss? How did I mix something up? I don't know. Hold on. Did I mix it up? I might have mixed it up. I did. Oh my gosh. Did you guys see this one? This one, oh my gosh. Okay. I mixed it up. the backside to this is this piece of gorgeousness that we talked about. How do I mix these things up? It isn't even that complicated. What did I do? I don't know, but this is the backside to this one. The very first goes here. Ha ha. And then this gorgeous set of heart paper and this amazing piece that is going to be all fussy cut out goes right here. Okay, so that's our 12 papers. And then, oh, but wait, we have got a very, just like a perfect font. They're thickers, they're glitter chipboard letter stickers, and they're called Marquee. So they're all uppercase. I see a little bit of punctuation. Ooh, there's some numerics, more punctuation down here. So they look like almost like a blonde wood grain with some glittery bits, but I don't see fallout all over the package. So that is rather awesome. So that, I mean, the color match is mwah. Now let's see, we always get frazzles and ribbons. This time we have pink pom-pom. We've got this fabulous little yellow dot on white. Look at this pretty one. It's got a little floral pattern. And then the sweetest little hearts. And they have a little bit more of a pop of pink. And I love that. So pretty. Then, let me grab, I have 2 dogs under me. This is not an easy thing. No, I think they are trying to take me out. So we've got some pre-cut ephemera pieces. And I want to see what she came up with for us. Hold on. Okay, so I've got this beautiful floral right here. So pretty. And the back side, I saw on the back side, I'll show you. See how this one's cut like this? The back side has a floral. So it's like a pre-punched treasure just set and all done for us. I think those are so cute. I've got a floral that is amazing with that. Is it still off-white or is it white? I think it's a white border. And here's another one. Guys, look at that. Oh, it's so pretty. Ooh, a tab. I saw the butterfly that fell. Don't yell at me. Pretty little tab. The cutest little butterfly. Some books. Just like in that one piece of paper that we have. Another tab. Oh, look at how cute. We've got cute little stylized coffees. Well, I mean, it could be a tea, it could be a hot chocolate. In my world, it just became a coffee. Let's see. I see a couple of cute little boho looking rainbows. And then we have got the moon. And we've got a couple, I think this is the same butterfly. Hold on. Come here, little butterfly. Yep, 2 of the same butterflies here. And I already showed you the other butterfly that goes with this one. We have got a half rainbow, just like that big pattern paper we have. A gorgeous floral. Couple of mid-sized florals and a nice large one to finish up our ephemera bits. Oh, but wait, you guys, come on, look at this. We have gorgeous flair from Scrap and Happy Studio. It's doing a nice little collab and it is amazing. The colors are spot on. We've got our coffee cup, Sweet Time with You, Happy Times, Love to Read, Simple Moments, and then this gorgeous floral. And y'all know that this company has my very favorite flares. So hello, done. Now we've got 3 sweet little hearts. Let's see. They look like they're crocheted or something. Come on, little guys. Come on out. Come on out. Oh, they're so cute. All right, so they have dimension, but not like a crazy amount. Very nice size. So we've got a nice green, an apricot-y peach, and a paler pink. I know that light is so bright when I go like that, so I'll come off to the side. How stinking cute is that? And then finally, to shore up the rest of our main kit, we have got these cute little hearts with wings. And I've got to see them. Come to me. These are so stinking cute. Look at these. So they're like fabric-y on the back again, but look at that. They are just adorable. I love that pop of glittery goodness. All right, so I'm gonna clean this up and I will bring you the bold kit next. So I was looking at the bold kit, and what the bold kit has for papers this month, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have one each of the designs that you saw in the main kit, which makes me so happy that we got more of these because I need to cut them all up. I mean, they're just so beautiful. And that means I've got another one of my rainbow and have an idea already brewing for that. Yet I loved this apricot color. So we have 6 more papers in our bold kit. Perfect. And we have got a whole set of Prima flowers. There's 6 pieces. Let's go ahead and open them because I know I'm going to get right into creating with everything. Oh my gosh, you guys, the background that they're sitting on is beautiful vellum. So yeah, use that when you're done, but look at these. So they're nicely dimensional. And they've got bling bling with a sweet little pearl in 3 of them. And then kind of like a cut pom-pom, just paper pom-pom on the other 3. And I love that we've got so many of these neutral tones. However, that pink, it's a spot on color match. Bravo. Then one of my favorite things that we get, hold on, I'm getting another tray. One of my favorite things is these exclusives. I mean, these papers are all exclusive, but when we get these woodcuts and acrylic pieces, it makes the kit like beautifully custom. You cannot get it elsewhere. So it is amazing. So we've got these wood pieces in all of these different sizes with the sweetest little leaves. These this might be my favorite set of woodcuts, wood veneer little pieces we have gotten yet, because guys, I can customize them to anything, or quite frankly, they match as is. I might be going in with my distress oxides with them this time. I'm feeling that this is more of a distress oxide customization experience. And then last but not least, we have acrylic pieces. They look like such glittery goodness in this nice pink with gold. So the hearts go either way. If you want it all pink, do pink on pink, gold on gold, mix it up. You do you, but don't you just love? I love it. So that is our bold kit, which you guys need the bold kit. You do. Okay, we have that. Then we have an acrylics kit, and she knocks my socks off with it. So let's see. I keep just like grabbing tray after tray. It's like a conquer. Okay. And I haven't seen them all, and I want to see them all with you. So let's just go for it. Oh no, my hearts are going to separate everywhere. Okay, so let's see. First, feels like the coating is on them. Yep, you just have to get the coating off. You know, like the little plastic coating. And I actually learned way late in the day for something I was doing with a pokey tool I had, that you can get right under these and it pulls it up. I was just doing that with something, but look at that gorgeous, gorgeous shine. So this one reads, whoop, shine bright, and it is gorgeous silver sparkly goodness, yet nothing comes off. Perfect. Then Braveheart in a beautiful pink. Golden Girl. Hello, how cute. What's next? Pure Gold. You guys, look at that. And then we have got, let's see, this heart goes in here. Let's see how well it'll do. That heart came in there. And guys, you can move them around. If they're the same size, just move them however you want. Ooh, this one's neat because it's like some have sparkly acrylics and some do not. So you get all these different finishes and vibes. So I'll put this one into this one. And then we've got all of these gorgeous extra pieces. I think it is amazing. It's an amazing, amazing acrylic kit. And then the very last thing for me to show you guys, and these come in a bunch of different colors. They're in the store right now, and they're new in the store. You guys, how fancy are these scissors? I'm just like, oh, I'm a fancy girl. So I cannot wait to play with them. But they are just like, they're like upper end. They're nice and sturdy as well. So that's what I have to show you guys. I will have links down below for the Kit Club as well as the Facebook group, so you guys can grab all your goodies and then come over to the Facebook group, join in on the sketch of, ooh, those are sharp, sketch of the month challenge and all that kind of stuff. And I will see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye, friends.